Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's learn how to make a healthy, high protein chickpea veg burger. First, coarsely grind the soaked chickpea, commonly referred to as Kabuli Chana. Heat a pan, add some oil and toss in chopped onions. Fry until they turn translucent. Next, add ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell disappears. Now, mix the translucent onions, ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies and a blend of spices, that is half teaspoon red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder and grated cheese, coriander leaves and salt to taste, and mix everything well with the coarsely ground chickpeas. Grease your hands with little oil and shape the mixture into round tikis. Dust the tikis with breadcrumbs for extra crunch. Shallow fry the tikis in oil, cooking both sides until golden brown and crispy. Now slice your burger bun in half. Place the chickpea tikki in between. Add some sliced onions. And spread tomato ketchup on one side of the bun. And there you have it, your delicious, healthy and high protein chickpea veg burger. Enjoy this delicious dish. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.